Good evening to you all. It's Coach Selena Cheshat. I'm just coming to you from Birmingham. And today I'm going to talk about, the recommended servings per day. Sometimes we just eat without thinking. And in the long run, it becomes a challenge when we just eat without thinking. I'm just going to mention a few food groups and the recommended servings per day. If you're going to eat vegetables, which is the first food group, vegetables, all types including starchy vegetables, eat with a variety of colors represented. There's so many colors like greens, then you've got cauliflower, which is white or cream. We've got carrots, and those are different colors. When you see that in your plate, you really think, oh, I love that. It's just the presentation on its own attracts you. That's the use of food. And then we've got fruit types. You should eat any fruit types, but 2 to 4 servings per day. One serving is equal to 1 medium piece or cup or half a cup. That's what we need to do. Then whole grains, for example, quinoa, brown rice, or oats. We need to have 6 to 11 servings. One serving being half a cup cooked or one slice whole grain bread. Because we're so much worried about our weight or about what food does to us. That's why there's so much of this, food servings. We have plant-based macronutrition. These are all calories. They come from a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Alcohol also provides calories, but is not considered an essential nutrient. The ideal ratio of intake of these 3 micronutrients is highly controversial and debatable. Like if you talk about carbohydrates is 130 for everyone except during pregnancy and lactation, beginning at 1 year. Optimal sources of carbohydrates such as wholesome vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes are high in fiber and nutrients. Refined carbohydrates from sugars, flours, and processed foods can lead to malnutrition and promote illness. We've got proteins. Adequate intake of proteins is based on weight and estimated at 1.5 kg for infants. It just varies according to age. So, we need some of these things. Now we've spoken about carbohydrates, we've spoken about proteins, and now we're going to speak about fats. Fats or fatty acids are more complicated because there are several different chemical varieties based on level and type of saturation. Each category of fatty acid performs different functions and acts uniquely in the body. So when we are eating some of this food, we need to know whether they are good for our bodies or not. Let's keep tuned. Love your body, love your mind. Have a great day and bless you. See you soon.